Writing a research proposal for a grant application is a critical skill for securing funding for your research projects. A well-crafted proposal not only outlines your research plan but also persuades funders of its value and feasibility. This guide will walk you through the essential components of a successful research proposal and offer practical tips to improve your chances of securing a grant. 1. Understand the grant application requirements. Before you start writing, carefully review the grant application guidelines. Different funding organizations have specific requirements and criteria. Ensure you understand these details, as failing to comply can disqualify your application. 2. Craft a compelling title and abstract. Title: your title should be concise and descriptive, capturing the essence of your research. It needs to grab attention and clearly reflect the focus of your proposal. Abstract: the abstract is a brief summary of your proposal, usually around 250 to 300 words. It should outline your research problem, objectives, methods, and expected outcomes. 3. Write a strong introduction. The introduction sets the stage for your proposal. It should provide background information on your research topic and explain its significance. Clearly state the research problem and its relevance to the field. 4. Define objectives and hypotheses. Objectives: clearly define the goals of your research. These objectives should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART. Hypotheses: if applicable, state your hypotheses clearly. These should be testable statements that your research will explore. 5. Describe your research methods. Provide a detailed plan for how you will conduct your research. This section should include study design. Outline the research design, including methods and procedures. Data collection. Describe how you will collect data and any tools or instruments you will use. Data analysis. Explain how you will analyze the data to test your hypotheses. Transition. Following the methods section, discuss the timeline for your research and the resources required. 6. Outline the expected outcomes. Describe the expected results and their potential impact. Explain how your research will advance knowledge in your field or contribute to solving a specific problem. 7. Include a budget and justification. Provide a detailed budget for your research project. Include costs for personnel, equipment, materials, and other expenses. Justify each expense to show that your budget is reasonable and necessary. 8. Review and revise your proposal. Before submitting, thoroughly review and revise your proposal. Check for clarity, coherence, and adherence to the grant application guidelines. Seek feedback from colleagues or mentors to strengthen your proposal. 9. Prepare your submission. Ensure that all required documents are included and formatted according to the guidelines. Submit your proposal before the deadline to avoid any last-minute issues. Transition. After submission, follow up with the funding organization if necessary to confirm receipt and address any additional requirements. For expert assistance with your research proposal, visit proposalwriting.help and let our professionals help you craft a winning proposal.